another vlog. So we're just gonna go outside. I'm gonna make breakfast whilst like the washing machine is being so loud right now because I just put on a wash of all the... Oh, it's mum. She's just getting back from my morning walk. I, however, was editing a vlog, so that won't be happening. I've been enjoying experimenting with my breakfast so much. So today I'm going to try something new that I've not done before. I don't know if you saw my little breakfast wrap situation that went down quite well on TikTok. Hi, you alright? How will the new trainer? But today we're going to be trying a peanut butter jam toasty. Watching this bag, I'm getting vexed because the peanut butter jar is such a nuisance to my life. It is. Who designed the shape of that jar? It goes round, straight, then round at the bottom, so you can't actually get this little bit at the bottom. It really annoys me. I'm watching it back, I'm getting like annoyed because I'm like, who designed that for a jar? It's just not functional. Just because I feel like shaking up and I just want to see. Obviously the other week when I filmed that trying American food that I've never tried before video, I had the Uncrustable and it was quite sensational. So I thought, why not try it as a toasty? And I think the key is the black cherry jam. That's really the crux of how it was so good. So I'm just gonna make that as we talk. Now I think the plan for today, right, I really want to try, in you go, right, I'm just adding it to the toaster, toasty maker thing. What am I doing with my life? I don't know. What are you doing with your life? I don't know. We're all in this together, you know? We're all just vibing out here. It just, life is a journey and we're in this together. So I really want to make, I found this recipe for some new cinnamon rolls. So I think we're going to do that because I think it could be fun. But other than that, my day's pretty free. Although I was supposed to have my friend over, obviously socially distanced in the garden. But I don't know because I don't know what this weather is doing. It's been real windy. I think it was God's way of being like, everyone get off the beach because it was quite packed on there and no one wants to go to a windy beach. If you know English beaches, they are so windy, it is ridiculous. Hello, my name is Nicholas and it says ridiculous, yummy, gummy, money full of absolute deliciousness. Also, so you knew I was taking those biotin collagen vitamin things. And where are they? I've been taking these and I feel like it's made my cheeks softer. Anyway, let's see how my toasty's getting on. Hey baby girl. I don't know if it's going to work because obviously it's got no cheese or anything in it to melt. But I like things crispy, so... Oh, potentially. I'm hesitant about you. I am hesitant. But I like to try new things. And do you know what? Penicillin was made by accident. So... Why have I got like a rash? We don't like to look at our skin. No, we just won't look at it, right? Let's try. It's hot. I wouldn't recommend it, but I would have it again. I feel like you might be a bit low there. So I'm just making my dough now. And I was gonna say something that's falling out my brain. This happens to me all the time. 100% if you've had a conversation with me before, that has happened. I don't know what that means. If I forget what I'm thinking a lot. It's well annoying though. I tell you, it's well annoying. Actually, I feel like my friend that's coming over today, well, she's getting married. How wild is that? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. She's getting married. It's so crazy when people get married. They just get married. And it sounds weird, but like, they have a wedding and they get, it's just wild. Also, this soap is really hard to get out. I'm like, how do you come? Also, I haven't as of yet used the dough hook on my kitchen knife, so I'm very excited. Very, very excited to use that. Right, 200. Am I gonna get it right? Please be 200 grams. Oh, close. I'm a genius. I'm a wizard, Harry. Okay, right now, we put her on for how long? Mix on slow speed for 4 minutes. So in you go, little potato. They're just like a natural. It's like when, you know, a kid has, a parent has a baby and you're like, oh my gosh, they're a natural when they're doing their nappy. And instead of a nappy, I'm doing flipping bread. Okay, mix on slow speed for 4 minutes. Yes, boys, or hey, I need to go on a walk soon, actually. Honestly, walks are my saving grace. It's so funny that my name is Grace. Honestly, it comes up in conversation a lot. You go, girl, work it. Oh, get that kneading.
4 minute timer.
1 minute. Starting now.
Hi guys, so I'm about to go for a walk whilst my dough is proving. Bit risky, because the dough needs 45 minutes. And the walk that I go on is about 45 minutes, but I've spent some time cleaning up because otherwise I'll get in trouble. Look who got some running trainers. They are ugly. Running trainers are ugly, okay, and no one can tell me otherwise because they're just ugly. And basically Adidas were doing 75% off, so your girl got these reduced from £99 something like 37, however much 75% off is. My brain can't hack that. So she's gonna be comfy queen now. We love comfort. Comfort is key to success in life.
Hi guys.
Just decongesting.
Sorry.
I look like a fashion icon. I'm wearing Dad's Liverpool. I'm really.
Oh really?
So I don't know if you watched my vlogs the other day, but I was showing you the sheep and the cows that brought me a lot of joy because we've been waiting for them to like be put into the park near us, and they got put in. But I have just walked by. I just feel really emotional. I don't know, I'm such an emotional gal. I don't actually cry, but I just feel emotional at the thought of things. And I just walked by one of the sheep and it's on its side and I think it's dead. And there was a man there who I guess was just doing what I'm doing. He's going on a walk and he's on the phone to the vet. I don't know if it's the vet or speaking to someone about that. Oh, it was really horrible to see. Because the other sheep, there's two of them, and the other sheep just didn't know what to do. So, the cinnamon rolls are currently proving they actually look really good. And I have something so exciting, like, oh, an email. I wonder who it is. It's probably like Pizza Hut or something. I don't get exciting emails, ever. I'm not even joking. This is a very exciting parcel because, oh, let me tell you, this has been a journey, this. So back in February, I saw this top that was like collared from ASOS and it was sold out, and it's been sold out for ages, and it was one of those like viral clothing items. Well, it wasn't very viral, but it was a little bit. And I've been trying to find a collared top, and then I found one in Urban Outfitters and I ordered it online, and then it ended up going to not my house. I got someone else's parcel and then they got someone else's parcel. It was weird. So then I got my money back for that, and then the Urban Outfitters one was out of stock, and then I logged in one day and there was one left in my size, so then I ordered it, came to the house, it looked awful on. Then yesterday I was just sitting there, I was like, oh, I really want that top and I've never found one similar, and then I was like, I'm just going to try ASOS, and there was one left in size 8. So we hope that this actually will fit. I'm not sure if it will. Here we go. Woo! Oh my gosh, yay! It's got like a big froofy collar. I love it. I love like Edwardian. Is this Edwardian? I don't know what this is. So we'll like wear it with the jumper underneath. Oh my gosh, stop, I'm obsessed. And it's got this little tie at the back as well to give you that shape. And then the sleeves have got frills on. I really hope this looks good. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Oh my gosh, no, I actually love it. Imagine it under some dungarees. Oh my gosh. That's literally some people's idea of hell for an outfit, but it's my idea of not hell. I love it. I mean, I've got a bright blue sports bra on, so that's not helping. I'm obsessed. I'm currently making the sugar glaze right here, and I'm watching Jennifer Aniston and Lisa Kudrow's Actors on Actors. I'm obsessed with those girls. I love them. Wow, I haven't even put the glaze on them yet. What beasts. I would say careful because a lot of the mixture has spilt out. Wowie, I just glazed them. Look how good they look. Wait, okay, we've got a few burnt ones on here, but actually, just look, they're like beautiful little. So my friend came around and we discussed her wedding. It's so exciting that, you know, like weddings are a real life thing. I just don't think they happen, but they actually really do happen. I feel like one year once I went to 5 weddings in 1 year. Not to flex on you all, but kind of did. Sorry, I digress. I have been obsessed with the thought of ice, and we've been looking at new fridge freezers. Well, actually we bought one. Whoop whoop. Big news. And we were gonna get one with an ice dispenser, but mum and dad reckon that it takes up too much room and would mean that we could fit less food and drink in, which is obviously the priority. And then there's this thing on Amazon where you can like have it, I feel like this chair's gonna break, have your ice dispense from the table. I'll try and insert a video, I'm not sure. Wow, sorry, I didn't realise I was so passionate about ice, but I just watched this TikTok. Look at it. Ice is, it's like all the perfect size, and it's so, oh my gosh. That's when I wish I liked coffee. Doesn't that look satisfying? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, I just want that ice, to be honest. I just want to like scrunch spatula thing in the ice and get it and then pour it in a cup. Can you see my eye? Oh, it feels so horrible. Wow, it's really still going. Why does that happen? Gosh, I hate it. I hate it. Get off my eye. Good morning and welcome to another day. This colour is so extra, I'm here for it. Like, this is the type of extra that I strive to be. And I know it's not going to be everyone's taste, but that's the great thing about fashion. Not everyone likes everything, because if you liked everything, the world would be a boring place, do you know what I mean? I need to do my bedding today. Like, my friend came over yesterday, we were talking about washing bedding, and then, you know, and you're like, I just need to do it. I'm intrigued, how often do you wash your bedding? Because one of my friends said they didn't like it when their bedding was freshly washed, and they did it once a year. I don't actually believe that. That can't be real. Surely not. And some of my other friends do it like once every, I don't know, 4 months. So I'm intrigued what the general gist is here. My eye's going again. What does that mean? Stop this madness. Oh no, this is so annoying. Get out of my eye. What are you doing? But I just have to show you the biggest attention seeker that there ever was, ever in life. She's been rolling around looking for some attention, and then what are you expecting here, hon? Do you want a tummy rub? Lick, lick, lick. That was very violent licking and tickling me. Can you just, why are you being weird? Right, go on, flop, flop. There it is. You're such a little attention seeker. We're about to go to Sainsbury's because I have a few errands. No, I need to get some deodorant and we need some fruit. Slight problemo. No idea where my purse has gone. You know when you're really trying to backtrack where I had something and your brain is just completely blank? Oh, found it. See? All you have to do is pretend you're writing a poem. Do you remember poems in school when you had to pretend that you were the thing? What's that called? That's called something, I don't know. Personification. Personification. So we're about to go to the supermarket. I have a list of things I want to get. Also, I saw on TikTok this mochi, like vegan ice cream mochi, and apparently they sell it in Sainsbury's and I really, really want it. Also, also I need to drop off this letter for my tax. Honestly, tax, why don't we learn about tax at school? It is the most confusing thing ever. I just am so confused by it and I don't want to do anything wrong, even though I have an accountant, so I don't know what's happening there. But let's go to the supermarket. Okay, I am here and the mask is going on because man, I came at the right time. There's a man watching me and it's making me very uncomfy. Why is he watching me? I kind of want to do a haul of everything I bought, but he's really staring at me. I don't know what to do. I won't lie, I've got really boring things in the shop, but I do feel like I want to show you how cute are these small bananas. What the actual heck? Like, look at them. I feel like they're perfect, because sometimes you don't want a full banana. You want just a wee little, let me just show you. Oh, it doesn't look that small, but it's the size of my hand. That's really cute. And I also got, which I have seen so much and I never found them, these double chocolicious fruit and nut, you know, naked bars, but apparently these have like a chocolate coating on. I really wanted to try the mochi, what's it called, Little Moon's mochi ice cream, which I've seen before, but I never knew it was dairy free. So let's see what this, oh, okay, so this one looks like it's got like a chocolate base. Let's give her a go. I like that. Oh, and they have this in a peanut flavour and a chocolate and raspberry flavour. Mmm. Also got some long life milk because our new fridge comes tomorrow. Woohoo!